About 12 years ago, I was in a very traumatic work accident, and we tried to save my leg, and it didn't pan out. We did that, the amputation, and a few days later, Michael came in. He asked me, what do you want to do with your life? I remember asking me, and I told him, well, I want to get back to what I was before. I was physically fit. I used to run. I rode bikes. I rode motorcycles. I was a skier. I skied for a long time. Michael said, well, let's get you back to that. Let's try to get you back to that. And I said, okay, great, because that's what I want to do. The very first day that I got my prosthetic, I was so excited the day was coming, and I looked at it and I was like, wow. And when we started putting it on and he was showing me how to put it on and stuff, my mind was just racing because it was so excited. I was happy. And then I took my first few steps, and I was crying tears of joy as I was walking. I looked at Michael straight in the eye and I just told him, thank you so much. I've had these bad days and good days. Not every day is going to be a great day, but now I am walking on my own. I don't have to worry about crutches. I don't have to worry about my wheelchair. I attribute all that to Michael Johnson, OrthoPro. I was running with my PT, and she kept saying, slow down, wait for me. I can't, I feel this freedom. I feel the freedom of having my leg again. And that was the best time, the best day of my life. I'm actually starting to tear up just thinking about it. The prosthetic leg is great. Michael's great. His crew is great. Thank you.